Hey everybody, John Malanka here with the United Patient Group, Be Informed and Be Well. And I recently just completed a cleanse. And so many of you have asked, what cleanses have I used in the past? I used to use this other company for about 4 years, and then they went out of business for some reason. They've been around for 20 something years, and I don't know if they just retired and wanted to jump out. So I did a lot of researching on companies, and there are a lot out there, and some may be great for others. The one I chose was a company called BioCleanse. And I don't know if you can see that, but BioCleanse, it is a organic herbal detox. And there were two types of cleanses. One was a 9-day cleanse, and they have a 15-day cleanse. I went with the 9-day just because I didn't know what 15 days, 2 weeks a cleanse is. For me, is a lengthy period. My recommendation, cleanses aren't for everyone. So again, I'm not a doctor, but I'm just sharing with my experience with this company. If you are considering doing a cleanse, my advice is to ask your medical professional to see if this is something that is beneficial for you and what's going on in your body. There is a whole section here about medicines. If you do have conditions and you are on medication, and how BioCleanse detox kit will affect. You can do this while on medication, but there's certain times when you should take your medicine, so it's not just going right through you as well. The 9-day cleanse, the first 3 days was really easy. Vegetable soup, quinoa, fruits and vegetables. Totally easy. Day 4 was the first day that I did a liquid cleanse, and they do supply you with 90 vegan capsules of a digest power, is what they call it. They do offer a 300 gram, which is 10 ounces of a toxin removal powder that you put in your organic apple juice is what I blended it with, and as well as probiotics. And I'm a big fan of keeping your gut in balance, even with or without a cleanse. And so they do offer that as well. The first 3 days, again, we had food. Day 4 was the first day that I just did liquids. And that's when you do the toxin removal powder in there, and you do blended it with the juice. The day 4, I was with no food in my system. I was just kind of intoxicated because I had no energy really, and I'm thinking, God, how am I supposed to do this with 4 more days or 5 more days? Day 5 was a completely other experience. My energy level was through the roof. I felt great. I felt the clarity. I even went on a couple 30-mile bike rides. Probably don't recommend that for everyone, but I felt great. I even went on a couple 6-mile runs. Again, felt great. By day 9, I could have continued on. And I think it's funny when your body starts learning how to process everything and what you're living off of. I did use, I stayed with my vitamins and supplements. I did stay with my probiotics. And I think the sugar, I guess, in the organic apple juice, as well as a toxin removal powder, and you can have 5 or 6 of those throughout the day. It really kept me going, but I do recommend it. Again, for me, it worked out great. My skin's glowing, my energy level is great. I feel like my body is back in balance, and it's something that I would try again, maybe not in the next few months, but maybe in a year. I try to do one at least once a year, and I do recommend that. But if you do have medical issues or questions, I do also recommend that you do meet with your medical professional to see if a cleanse is good for you. If you want to give me a call, and I can share in further detail on how I felt, what I saw, and how I experienced and what it felt like afterwards, please reach out. But this is something that a company that it's not a paid advertisement. It's just something that I said I would share with my audience after doing the cleanse. The customer service at this company, actually, before I started the cleanse, I called the company and spoke with, I believe, the owner, and he was very generous with his time and my questions. And so I want to thank you for that. But BioCleanse is the company. I'll put the link down in the in the comment section or in the description. Give it a call, give them a call and give it a try, but said I'd report back on how it made me feel. So I feel great. Wishing you guys a healthy day. Bye-bye.